Dhal powder. Hi, hello, welcome to the recipes. I'm Pastor Sheikh. We're going to look into how to do a lovely dal powder. This dal powder is going to be an instant dal powder which we can have it in our safe. When you think of this dal powder, it's going to be really a simple and an easy one which you can store it in your shelves. And you prepare some nice hot rice, put this powder, ghee on top of it, and yummy. It's going to be just the ultimate. So do try this dal powder. So let's heat a pan, add some oil, 1 or 2 spoons is enough, and add the dal. This is Thoor dal. Keep it in medium flame and fry until there is a mild change in color. It should be just slight change. Otherwise, you will get a burnt smell if you're going to leave it for a long time. See, there is a nice light change in the color, and I'm getting a good aroma from this fried dal. So then the dal is fried. So let's remove it and allow it to cool. Now add the dry red chillies. See, this is I'm adding Kashmiri chili, or you can add the badge chili, or whatever chili which is available you can add. This doesn't matter really, but if you are conscious about the color, we'll have to add the Kashmiri chili or the Karnataka's badge chili, which they call it. It's a long and it's dry one. Now same way, just allow it to get roasted mildly, and then we can remove it and allow this also to get cool. Now see, the tamarind is also there. Let them get roasted a little more, and then we can remove it. Meanwhile, we can add the cumin seeds along with this tamarind, and we can also add the fried Bengal gram dal. This is a fried one, so they did not really get roasted well. Let's give them a mild roast. Do this all in the medium flame. Add the hing lastly. Now everything is roasted. Let's allow it to cool. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. So here everything is cool now. First let's grind the Thoor dal. We shall grind it to a coarse powder, and then slowly add one by one, and then we will grind it. I am adding the tamarind along with the Thoor dal so that it will take a longer time to get ground. I am adding some chillies. Now let's see how it's coming out. So have a look at this. We have a coarse powder. Now let's add the salt. You can taste and see, and accordingly you can add the salt. Add the other fried Bengal gram dal also now. Hing, cumin, everything together, and the rest of the chilies. It depends if you on the spiciness you require. You can either add or reduce the amount of chilies. So look at the finely ground dal powder. You can store it in a glass jar for at least 6 months. They give a nice fresh aroma, and they are very nice, tasty. It's a ready-made powder which you can anytime take your chawal or rice, just put them on it, add some ghee, and have a lovely feast. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely dal powder. It's an instant powder which you can prepare it and keep it. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and do not forget to share this link with your friends and relatives. Thank you. Bye-bye.